Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I got an unexpected package in the mail today. It was supposed to come next week, so that's why it's unexpected. But let me get straight to the point and show you what it is. And it can't even fit in the frame with me. This is huge. So before I unpackage it, it just came in a box like this in this plastic. This is the Osprey 55-liter women's backpacking pack. That kind of sounds redundant, but I've had my eye on the Farpoint 55-liter for well over a year until I was looking for YouTube reviews and I realized that they were all men. So something made me, I think, type into Google women's backpacking pack that's very similar by the same brand, and I came across this, which is semi-identical. It's like the fraternal twin to the Farpoint 55-liter. It's just the women's version, which for some reason has a different name. It's the Fairview. It comes in two different sizes. The first size is extra small/small, and the second size is small/medium, which I got. I didn't really do too much research on which one I would need for my height and weight. I'm almost 5'5", technically 5'4", and about 130 pounds. I saw people shorter than me get this exact size. And I believe I saw someone who is technically taller than me, but she may weigh less, and she got the extra small/small size. So I think, you know, if you're around 5'5", 120 plus, you could get the small medium and it'll be just fine. So a few things about this bag. Because it's 55 liters, they're not all in the main pack. It comes with an attachable day pack. The main pack is 42 liters, and the day pack, which is just a small little book bag that zips around to the front of the main pack, that is 13 liters. So combined, it is a 55-liter pack, and separate, the dimensions are what I just told you. So let's unbox this baby, or unpackage. Oh, I love it. The men's version comes in a cool, it's called Jasper Red. I love that color, and that's what like attracted me to these bags. And it also comes in a cool gray, which looks like a black. The women's versions only come in, this is forest green, which I got. So if I do have to check my bag, which I hope not to, these are made to be carried onto the plane, and you'll just detach the day pack and put that under your seat if you need to. But Jasper green, and it comes in a, I think it's black, which I didn't want. I didn't want a plain bag. I want to be able to spot this baby from a mile away, and nobody would be tempted to take my bag if I were in a position like that. So you can actually carry it sideways like this, or, I feel like I'm really loud right now. I am so excited this is in the mail. Like, I wanted to buy this just for specific trips, but I was like, no, let me take my carry-on. But the packs, the straps are these zippers, like so. And then you can just, I've researched this bag so much, so I know you see me opening it for the first time, but I know a lot about it. So you just roll this up and tuck it into the bottom here. So the reason why I felt like I could not go without a backpacking pack anymore, I was just gonna up and buy this recently, but I happened to look on Amazon the other day, literally like 3 days ago. Today is Black Friday. I looked on Amazon the other day and I saw that it was on sale. Like, Amazon started their Black Friday deals early, and instead of the $180 that this bag cost, it was $135. The men's versions are $135 too. So I feel like I need to edit this video really quickly and get it up so you guys all know that these are on sale right now, and if you want to grab one, go for it. So I'm gonna quickly roll this back up and tuck it in so I can hold the bag properly. So when I just did that little roll, there is actually a Velcro piece down in here versus having to tuck it in and zipping it. You tuck it in a little bit, and there's a Velcro attachment that makes sure this is securely placed. So there is a waist strap, a very huge, and it feels comfortable. I won't know yet, but a huge waist strap. And then this is technically a chest strap, but I feel like it'll be more comfortably placed on women. I feel like this is a little lower than where it would be on a man's pack, but I don't have one to try on and show you, but I just feel like this bag was made to comfortably fit on a woman's back and evenly distribute the weight that sometimes we overpack. So yeah, it won't be as strenuous to carry this big thing around. And it also has these little buckles here, which I will demonstrate and try it on for you. And I'm actually going to pack it up really quickly just to see what fits in there. I'm not going to pack it like I was going on a 2 or 3 month journey, but I'm going to try and, you know, pack a few pairs of jeans, maybe some sweatpants, I don't know, a couple sweaters. I just want to see what should be able to fit in here. So the day pack is right here. It's attached to the front of the bag by this little clasp. And then there's a zipper around the edge of the pack. Oh, we have a second clasp down here. So let me figure out where the start of the zipper is. There we have it. Oh, and it's secured on there, so I have to unclick it before I can start unzipping. So you just go around. And here we have the day pack, which is a nice size little backpack. So when you do arrive in your destination, you can just carry this around on a day-to-day basis. I hate having tote bags and like putting all that weight on one shoulder. And I always wish I have a small-ish backpack where I can fit my laptop, I can fit my huge water bottle, because I don't like to keep buying plastic bottles of water when I'm traveling. And yeah, this is perfect for that. And I like that it matches. So here's what the main bag looks like without the day pack on it. And instead of, you know, how backpackers will have the one big backpack and then the smaller pack, and they'll do like this to put them on, you can actually comfortably, here it is, I'm looking for the clasp. You can actually comfortably snap it to the front of your bag where it dangles like this, instead of having to put your arms into these straps and then the straps of your main bag. This also comes with a chest strap, so it doesn't come with a waist strap, as you can see. I think I saw some people ask about that in the Amazon questions / reviews. So this does not have a waist strap, but I don't think you would put that much in here where it would be so heavy that you would even need a waist strap. So there's that. And as far as the day pack, there is a little mesh pocket right here. Oh, it's pretty deep. I thought it would be for like, I don't know, if you want to just stick your passport or something in there, but that's pretty deep. I don't know what you would put in there, but it goes far. And here's your dedicated tablet or laptop pocket. I can't wait until my next trip. I feel like I'm going to carry this on all of my upcoming trips. Here's a little pocket on the front. In the pictures, I see people stuff glasses here, but if you are carrying it on the front, you could put something like your passport in here just for easy access. And then it has a little clip for possibly keys or something. Again, easy access. And I think I would probably put water bottles up here. Nothing too important. So that is the day pack. Let me throw this back here. And I think I'm gonna stand up to show you everything going on with the actual main pack. So here we have the main pack. Zipping it. And it's pretty bare on the inside. I think I got confused a little bit about whether or not it came with packing cubes, because that's how it's shown in the pictures. So it does not, as you can see. And I thought about possibly ordering some packing cubes, but then I thought, I got some, if you've watched my last video where I did like a clothing haul, most of my clothing came in these plastic little squares and rectangles, where I'm just going to use those as packing cubes. I've never used them, and I think I pack really well without them, even though I hear they're life-changing. So I think maybe in the future I'll invest in some packing cubes, but for now that plastic will do, and it's recyclable. Here is a mesh pocket on the front of the main pack. I would probably put like panties and stuff, like delicates in there. And then when you do put your clothing in here, you can have these extra snaps to make sure when you open it up, everything doesn't just come falling out. So I think these are pretty cool. I always need these, even in my regular carry-on luggage. And again, that handle on the side for you to carry it around. So as you can see, I just tossed the bags back there. Before I do the try on and seeing what I can pack in there, I did want to say that I got this bag because I travel to a lot of places. I don't want to say mainly in Europe because this happens in Asia as well. Oh, even when I was in Belize. So this can happen anywhere in the world. You just go somewhere where it isn't practical to roll around your luggage. Like the first time this happened to me was when I was in Copenhagen, and I remember getting off the train from the airport and walking to my hostel, and I was right downtown and the sidewalks were cobblestone. I've been on cobblestone streets in Lisbon and just going up hills or dragging that bag and on cobblestone, like it's just unbearable. In Southeast Asia, where I have to walk around getting from maybe my taxi or off of the train to wherever I'm staying, there may not even be sidewalks. Like in Bali, there were virtually no sidewalks unless you were like in the main touristy areas. Like when I walked to the beach, sure, eventually I would get onto a sidewalk, but when I wanted to walk the opposite way in town and see what other cool restaurants were not on the main strip, I was in the road. So yeah, nobody wants to deal with trying to drag luggage, no matter how light it is. I cannot stand having to just roll that luggage in it over cobblestones and dirt, and maybe it like slips into a ditch a little bit and I have to yank it out. Like, I would just much rather have a pack on my back, which is evenly distributing the weight, and I feel comfortable and it doesn't feel as heavy as it really is. And then for the things that I need easy access to, like my passport, my phone, keys possibly, whatever, oh, even my plane tickets, like I can just put that in the day pack and have it on my chest. Or when I get lazy, like when I first get to the airport, I can have those two bags still attached and not even separate them until I get through TSA or something like that. So that is why I got this bag, and that may be why you are looking into backpacking packs as well. I really got to figure out what these things are called because that sounds so redundant. So let me show you how it looks on my body. So here's the main pack. So chest strap, waist strap. I don't think I got this. This is much higher than I thought it would be, which I guess if you have a large bust, that will be good for you. And I don't have to worry about that at all, as you can see. But you don't have to worry about it being like down here and digging into everything. So everything can be tightened, but I don't think I'm gonna worry too much about that right now. It feels really good, but I also don't have anything in it, so who knows. This feels really good though. Like, I've had a friend let me borrow their pack, and it was one of those rectangular ones. It didn't look like the regular North Face backpack or even like this really. It was very plain and subtle black rectangle. And I felt like that was always a little too low, where I would need to lift it up and do like that so it can sit on my butt. Here is the day pack. Now, I thought it attached in two places, but it looks like it just attaches in one, which is fine by me. I don't plan on loading this day pack up, so let me look in my mirror really quickly. Okay. So here is where you would pull the snaps for the day pack. And you can actually see these cords right here are what's attached to this. I do have to figure out why this is so long right now, because it doesn't, oh, you shorten it right here. Zipping this up. So this is what it looks like. So I don't know how often I'll really wear it like this, except when I am first boarding a plane, because this screams tourist. Like, I feel a little claustrophobic, but that's just me. It's not uncomfortable or anything. It's just, I'd rather be a little more subtle. Like, you not know that I'm backpacking until I say wham and give you one of those. So yeah. So now let's see what I can actually fit in this main pack. I don't think you really need to see what's going in there. I think all I'd put in here is probably my camera, my laptop, and the tripod I'm actually using now is pretty compact, and I think that would fit in here as well. So that would give me more room in my main pack where I don't have to worry about trying to fit clothes around the tripod, which isn't hard. It's just I don't want to have to pack around it. So these are the things I'm gonna try and fit in here, and I'm like 100% confident that they'll all fit. I'm a denim lover, so I do pack denim, usually a minimum of 3 pair, because I have, you know, favorite jeans like everyone else, and I always take a couple pair, but right now I have 2 right here, a pair of dress pants, not really slacks, they're a little more casual than that, but I have worn them in corporate settings, they're really cute, a pair of leggings, a crop sweater, this is a workout hoodie type thing, an actual sweater, and then I think 2 t-shirts. So I'm probably going to do like a speed up little segment, not necessarily a time lapse, to show you how I fit all of that into there. So I actually put a pair of like dress loafers with a platform heel in here with some sneakers. It actually turned out to be 3 t-shirts, a sweater, my workout hoodie, 2 pairs of denim, a pair of dress pants, and what else? That cropped sweater. I think that's it. And there's still like loads more room. In my opinion, the way I pack, not necessarily like this, and I would probably wear a sweater on the plane instead of packing it. But the way I pack, I could fit like another row, if you can see right there. I could fit another layer or top row, not top row, top layer of thin things like this. So I would actually like go all out with my t-shirts and stuff. I tend to take a couple button downs, maybe 1 dress shirt, just because I like to tuck that into my denim and I think it's really cute. I could probably fit another pair of shoes in here. Just the way I pack, I feel like this is the same size almost as my carry-on luggage, although my carry-on luggage it's a hard shell, so it has 2 main compartments. I feel like I could fit what I fit in there, like 1 side and a half, and I always end up overpacking technically. So the last time I traveled was for about 3 months, and I fit it all in my carry-on and then a backpack. I'm pretty sure I could narrow down the pieces that I took and fit them all into this bag. Like, I do have quite a full month, but like a 20-day trip coming up. I'm taking this bag. Like, I have a week-long trip coming up. I'm taking this bag because why the hell not? Who wants to carry around a suitcase? So if you have this backpack, let me know how much you like it. I think I'm going to come back in about a year or after a year's worth of traveling and let you know how I still feel about it. If I feel like it could be better in some areas or what I really like about it. But I think this is gonna last me for hopefully the rest of my life. Like, I tend to take care of my things and they last a really long time, and I don't want to keep investing in new backpacks. So I think this is going to be my road dog for a very long time to come, and so far I have 0 complaints about it, so I'll keep you updated.